How to fix Snapchat not allowed in snaps. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you guys today how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone. Here you have to open apps option. After this, when you open apps option, here you have to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this and then scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK. And then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do next, go to this option set as a default, and you have to allow this option, and then you have to restart your phone. After this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.